What's up, Sammy? Don't look at us like that. Come over here. Now, Sammy, we know you done lived in the hood. We know you done had a rough life. I'm glad you came back from all that, Sammy. I'm glad you came back from that life in hard knocks. I'm glad that you made it, man. Give me five, Sammy, for that. Give me five. You won the lottery, buddy, the lottery of life. That's good. You made it on through. Got out the damn hood. That's what I'm talking about. My boy used to be jumping out of the windows. And now you messed your hip up? Used to be jumping out the windows out of the hood. Oh, Sammy, you made it. You made it. Yeah, I know. You better celebrate. Celebrate. Celebrate, Sammy. You made it. You made it, you little man. You made it. You made it. You made it. Say bye.